Welcome friends, let's quickly delve into the 12 of the best foods for healing your leaky gut. Our first category of gut-friendly foods is those rich in probiotics. Probiotics, often referred to as friendly or good bacteria, have gained substantial attention in the health world, and for good reason. They aid in digestion, boost the immune system, and even contribute to mental health. Now let's delve into some probiotic powerhouses. First up, we have the sauerkraut, a type of fermented cabbage. This tangy treat is not just a hot dog's best friend, it's a treasure trove of probiotics. Studies have shown that it can help improve your gut flora, which aids digestion and promotes overall health. Next in line is yogurt, a staple in many diets around the globe. This creamy delight is produced by the bacterial fermentation of milk. Research indicates that regular consumption of yogurt can enhance gut health by introducing beneficial bacteria into the digestive system. Now let's travel to Korea with our taste buds and meet kimchi. This spicy, fermented cabbage dish is a Korean staple and a probiotic superstar. Its beneficial effects on gut health have been backed by numerous studies. Next we have kefir, a fermented milk drink that's been enjoyed for centuries. It's like yogurt, but with a thinner consistency and an even higher probiotic content. Research suggests that kefir can help balance your gut's bacterial environment, leading to improved digestive health. Kombucha, a fizzy fermented tea, is also making waves in the health community. This tangy beverage is teeming with probiotics, and studies have shown its potential for improving gut health. Last but not least, tempeh, a traditional Indonesian product made from fermented soybeans, is a probiotic-rich food. Besides being a great source of plant-based protein, it's also found to support gut health according to scientific research. Remember, probiotics are live bacteria that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. So why not give these probiotic-rich foods a try and show your gut some love? Next up, we have foods rich in prebiotic fiber. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is prebiotic fiber? Simply put, it's the food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. It's a type of dietary fiber that our bodies can't digest, but our gut bacteria can. It's their favorite snack. This feeding frenzy isn't just for their benefit. When these gut-friendly bacteria munch away on prebiotic fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids are essential nutrients for our body, promoting health in various ways such as enhancing our immune system and reducing inflammation. So where can we find these prebiotic fibers? Well, they're abundant in many foods that you might already have in your kitchen. Vegetables such as artichokes are a great source, and fruits like the exotic dragon fruit come packed with it. Even everyday ingredients like garlic can give you a prebiotic boost. And let's not forget mushrooms. These humble fungi are a treasure trove of prebiotic fiber. Several studies back the benefits of these foods for gut health. For instance, research published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism highlights the positive impact of garlic and artichokes on our gut microbiome. Another study in the Journal of Functional Foods points out the potential of dragon fruit as a prebiotic. It's important to note that these foods don't just provide prebiotic fiber. They come loaded with a variety of other nutrients too, making them a valuable addition to our diet. In a nutshell, by including prebiotic-rich foods in our diet, we're setting the dinner table for our gut bacteria, and when they're well fed, they return the favor by producing nutrients that bolster our health. It's a win-win situation, really. When the gut bacteria receive the necessary fiber, they produce nutrients for your body, promoting health. Now you might wonder, can't I just take a supplement? While it's true that supplements can provide certain nutrients, they simply can't replicate all the benefits of whole foods. You see, whole foods are complex, containing a variety of the micronutrients your body needs, not just one. They also provide dietary fiber, which supplements often lack, and a multitude of beneficial compounds. Research underlines the importance of this. For instance, studies show that consuming whole foods is linked to lower risks of heart disease, cancer, and other health problems. Moreover, some supplements can even cause problems if taken in excessive amounts. But when you eat whole foods, you're not just consuming single nutrients, but a whole range of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other things your body needs. This synergy, the combined effect of different nutrients and compounds working together, can have substantial health benefits, including boosting your gut health. So while supplements can play a role in filling nutritional gaps, they can't replace a healthy diet built around a variety of nutrient-rich foods. For maximum benefits, it's always recommended to opt for whole foods over supplements. But remember, it's not just about these foods alone. In our quest for a healthy gut, it's easy to focus solely on probiotics, prebiotics, and whole foods. While these are indeed the champions of gut health, they are not the only players in the game. A balanced diet, one that incorporates a variety of these gut-friendly foods, is the cornerstone of good digestive health. Think of your gut as a garden. Just as a garden thrives with a diversity of plants, your gut too benefits from a variety of foods. Each food group provides unique nutrients that support different aspects of your gut health. For instance, lean proteins aid in tissue repair and immune function, while healthy fats help absorb vitamins and reduce inflammation. Including a rainbow of fruits and vegetables in your meals can provide a wide spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These not only bolster your gut health, but also contribute to your overall well-being. And let's not forget about whole grains. Rich in fiber, they act as a fuel source for your gut bacteria, helping them to thrive and maintain your gut's ecosystem. Variety is indeed the spice of life, and this holds true for your gut health as well. Swapping out your regular apple for a vibrant dragon fruit or adding a handful of artichokes to your salad can introduce new beneficial compounds to your gut. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how much and when. Overeating or skipping meals can disrupt your gut's natural rhythm. So, ensure you're eating regular, balanced meals and practicing mindful eating. Lastly, remember that maintaining a balanced diet doesn't mean you can't indulge in your favorite treats. It's about moderation and making conscious choices most of the time. So, as you embark on your journey towards better gut health, remember to not just focus on individual foods but to embrace a balanced and varied diet. This is truly the secret to nurturing a healthy gut and enhancing your overall well-being. A balanced diet is key to maintaining a healthy gut and overall well-being. So there you have it, 12 of the best foods for gut health. We've journeyed through the vibrant world of probiotics, discovering the benefits found in foods like sauerkraut, yogurt, and kimchi. We've explored the power of prebiotic fiber, a super fuel for our beneficial bacteria, abundant in fruits, vegetables, and even exotic delights like dragon fruit. We've championed whole foods over supplements, emphasizing the maximum benefits achieved when we opt for a natural, unprocessed diet. And above all, we've underscored the importance of maintaining a balanced diet, the key to unlocking quick improvements in gut health. So what's next on your journey to a healthier gut? Maybe you're reaching for that jar of kimchi or planning a trip to the farmer's market for some fresh produce. Whatever your next step, remember, every choice counts. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment below. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to speed up your metabolism, watch the video on your screen next. And don't forget to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. Stay healthy, stay happy.